video I will show you what is ChatGPT and how to use it. So first of all I will tell you what is ChatGPT. It is a chat box created by OpenAI and this will help you to generate many answers for any question you have. It is free for now, but maybe in the future it will be paid. But for now it is totally free, so you can use it for free. So how to open it? So first open your browser and type chat.open.ai. This is the link. I have also given it in the pinned comment. As you want, you can also copy it from there. So when you have opened it, it will open an interface and you will have to sign up on it. And if you have already an account, you can also log in with it. I will sign up on it. First you will have to create an account with OpenAI. Click on sign up. Just enter email and password. And it will send you a verification message. Once you have verified it, it will open the basic interface. Now you can search any question you have. For example, I will search what is cricket. Now you can see it has generated a lots of information. So you can use it for doing your homework assignments or university assignments, like I also use it for doing my assignments. There is also another way to assess this. Type beta.openai.com #playground on your browser. There are custom options. You can pick AI model from here. You can try any option you want, so you can become familiar with them, but most often I recommend DaVinci to use. You can set max number of characters here. For example, if you set 2000 characters, you can search for a 2000 words essay and it will generate you a full 2000 words essay. Another interesting thing I want to show you that you can also set presets here. Now what is preset? This preset can be a starting point. If you want to go through your presets, you can type openai.com #examples on your browser. And there will be a lot of presets here. You can set any preset from there. Check it and then set it on your openai.com #playground. This was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.